Utie oha extra punk no. Needs FM.
This is what I am one way you.
As I go that day, the baby on my dress, and I go that day, I'm going to yeah, but to about a freebie buy.
Mark, I'm say kakra mo kan in so ne electricity once. First of all, I mean starting with the premise that I go through the new taxes.
Okay.
Semersha, ya propose 6 taxes in the 2021 budget. None of these 6 taxes talks about COVID-19 tax. But for the purpose of
COVID-19 levy woman.
COVID-19
levy. Our budget in the market.
But who taxes? I say review. I say where 6 proposed taxes, and I will say
COVID-19 levy no
1% increase.
Vaccines, no?
1% increase in NHIL.
Good.
1% increase in VAT flat rate. Me wo about energy sector and our financial sector cleanup levy of 5%.
Your sanitation and pollution levy.
And our sanitation, and our gaming industry.
Your COVID-19 health levy. COVID-19 health levy.
Good. But where does that levy explain say for the water and the electricity? Because remember we are bringing in vaccines. I mean, hold on. I just wanted to set it clear. Say, government has not stated anywhere say or taxes or any form of levy to
because of the freebies.
Yes, because of the freebies.
I don't know if you upon Chroma interview now. And this is controversy number. Hold on. It's just I want to know all premise the free into. Yeah.
I just wanted to set a one clear.
That is
before
correct.
I come to the purpose, I mean the context of this conversation.
Yeah.
And so I'm about speaking to the Honorable Minister Kojo upon Chroma somewhere there. Okay. But I just want Ghanaians to be clear. Say, you need BBS. So if anybody sits here and make it look like those say government is taxing the ordinary Ghanaians, no, their kuchia kebia. It is neither here nor there. But let's now stick to the context of this conversation. Near explaining it. Minya, if we are seeing ye one incidents happen, whether they are planned or they are not planned, because something unforeseen contingencies. Say be kwa TFE, or how to a jet day, a toho. Ensure timide fa ho ne. Those are unplanned things that any government biano a bit matuni pebia in a larger extent a government all over the world, including even the big economies now when it comes to economic wiser or more giants all over the world. No say BB says here na emprempremu what the government of the day does and say also more day policies and sense say be ba e be cushion the ordinary citizen or day or and to me, no, COVID the hate here in somewhere match, no. That was some similar decision that Abani take ya or then say by ya. A bear, yeah, which was a flexible say ya, a mad ordinary Ghanaian no yeah day. A tono. And in the context of that, no, see, situating it properly in that context, not water there being free, electricity there at that time being free, no, was very important. Because at that time, no, government couldn't have said, well, you better in Mamuntino, ebi amumetia in the eka. The main basic or the main essence of government the insure by and for the ordinary people, the normal person to get insure at that time and as electricity at that time, so when they own you. But the question has always been a question of necessity. As at them, no, ne who here say aban be insure free amobi and as ne who here. Mark, when em be address ne who here. Ne who here say aban edi insure electricity be free and as say more electricity ne free. When you ask the question of necessity, and here. But unless, of course, the political environment here, woman will try to politicize this. See, I can't say free SHS. Yes, was a free SHS. Can if you kufa the bottom and say free here never. Directly or indirectly, no, a buy will have to go somewhere to mobilize money. About this, and then there be a free SHS. And you can say free water and not say free electricity. It is in no way suggesting say at some point we must not pay for the water. And government is all about mobilizing to help the ordinary citizens. And to me, in the context of this or in the light of this, the question of necessity, even about government has no other option than say, even if their debts are covered and thereby, I was each year. And that is what government is doing. And so, bits say, I don't think it is fair because if at then no, it was necessary say no was say you so free. If at then no, na necessary say was say can you free because when me address na go phone kwadwuma na go for tifi go for nyuma say Aban have to come in with loans and other things. More with business. MBSS are nearby. Aban was forced to bring in industries and produce PPEs near there. So the question was, at that time, you know, was it necessary? Say there was any free move be any necessary. Because Mark, Abraham Kofo Newman say near Tifidum. There was no way say reasonably, you know, Aban because I told so Ghana for. There was no way say reasonably, you know, Aban because I electricity at all Ghana for. Because Kofo Newman say. So the question of necessity, you know, to me at that time it was necessary that government also any free. But yeah, we Ekadaho, and I say, I mean, for the purpose of this conversation, I say Minister Kokayan, Ekadaho, Ekano, beyond the politicization of it, how do we pay such a debt? Unless, of course, you person chairman say, not person chairman say, President Akufo-Addo Yinibuto Musika, and the HS and so. Clearly, Ekano will have to pay. And yet, a buyer or yes sensitive to his people, no, will have to draw a roadmap embedded in crop for too much. And what the government must do, they say, or pay a coin to generate money in any event, Mark.
Yes.
Not COVID in so free mining, can you free mining? Near to taxes him. Near to taxes him. And don't paint a picture as though say in so ye free in the auto taxes him. We are being Peter to people. In any event, near ye quana. Arguably, people can even argue say crown on say new ska a free. But I say crown on say free. But indirectly, you are paying for the road. And the anunti imagine as I can say, so far as our far a credit to Kumasi Obiani was getting a quantity free. Now be a buy. Has some way somehow miraculously invented money for it. But you are paying for the road. And the case be a free. You should look at it and situate it in a proper context. At the country free. Unless again, NDC bet match MSM. As a timer, now or money here in Saudi Arabia, now go phone Kwadumano. There was a way out to be an answer be Papa Domama the Kwako for the Sika Abichia. Ordinarily, any government there, the response will be so creative, flexible grounds and a flexible environment. And especially and if at that time the soccer terms are biased and no man free, and you feel that today no, and what's a cabinet how you change free. I don't really get the logic because free SHS and free SHS you free SHS, free SHS no, whether we like it or not, we are paying for it in a way. And I'm buying Jacka. But in the context of the purpose of increasing enrollment, it is free. Mark, me the manu basi, but me one another instance. We are punishing unnecessarily government trying to be transparent. Okay? One here, Otena, Abanka Kojibusia Biakacho, not the Bosana, a divo frato, so not the Abitriasa Kedahui. If a government decides to approach issues and become transparent to its people, I'm not sure say the best way of say betimi and the Abanos say we have to unnecessarily heckle and punish the government with such a backlash. Say Abayano are transparent to us, and our minister upon Kroma transparent to us. For that matter, I mean say it's Robin Peter to people. Yen say beyond the politics, you know, whether water was free then or whatever way, electricity was free then or whatever, we have to pay as a country. And so the question of necessity there no has been answered. Say no necessary now was buying free. Today, it is necessary that even if we have to pay. And we have to pay. Okay. Government will have to mobilize money. Ordinarily, no, KB a quack free baby. But and no crowd also COVID-19 so also a actually no. I do not see a way where if government mobilizes money, it should be misconstrued as a government that don't for. I mean, to me, that is a very weak argument. And I do not get the connection. Abaya yebi. Abaya den se at that time, no, insure was necessary. Say was free, and today we have to pay for it. Even if we want to even go for the purpose of our argument, no, we must pay for it. And I don't see any wrong thing. I will say me.
Titi, owo be mami bisa mo ta questions way. Dabe no memo abembe the tax ba ya kan no to mo pay. Na se ye deda na se table no 10 a aya mo ba e de na mo ye fa amanyofo. I remember, na me interview Ningo Pram Rashid some years back. Somewhere I think 2019.
Needs FM.